Okay, guys, so today we continue from the previous topic, which is the trigonometric function. We continue to the derivative of the logarithmic function. So you are deriving, you have to understand about what is logarithmic function. As simple as this. They give you the question, the term, ddx ln x equals 1 over x. What is this? So if I have natural log, let's say y equals ln x, the derivative of ln x or dy dx is 1 over x. Okay, just memorize. So what you need to do is try to memorize. There are no specific reason for that. There are no reasoning from ln x equals become 1 over x. Actually, there is, but I think you don't have to understand too far about that. We will learn about how do you derive this to this and how does it works in the calculus in university. Not now. Now just memorize, just take the data and understand this. Okay. So ln means natural log, ln x. Ln can be treated as log of basis e. Okay, log e x. If you derive, you will get 1 out of x. Okay. Therefore, if you want to make it a bit further, if I have y equals ln, ln of a certain function, ln u, let's say, ln u, then the dy dx or the derivative of ln u is the same, 1 out of u, but don't forget to put the chain rule. Why? Because u is a function. You have to continue to multiply it with u xn. That is the way you do. So we simplify. If I have y equals ln u, make it an absolute, dy dx is u xn, or the derivative of the inside over u. Okay, that's the way. Okay, that's for two derivative of natural logarithm. Natural log. Ln is a part of logarithm, so we have this formula that representing all the topics later that will be used in all topics. Let's see. If I have ln fx or ln u, there you go. U xn over u. They use fx and x. It's actually the same. I just make it more simple. No need to do this. You don't have to memorize. As long as you understand this, everything is good. Two more formula only. Try to do this. Okay, here. So you just memorize two formula. Wait, I will make it a bit more detailed or more concise. Ln u, the derivative of dy dx is, sorry, ln x first for the basic, forget, 1 over x. If I have y equals ln u, the dy dx is u xn over u. If I have ln, let's say ax plus b, according to this rule, in particular, it will get 1 over as usual, or equal the u itself, ax plus b, put down ax plus b, and on the top, you derive ax becomes a, right? So you don't have to memorize this, but just for in case you try to understand how it works. Here, put below. See, it's the same, right? Because u is a function, ax plus b is also a function. And this will be the derivative of ax plus b, which is a. That's the same. Okay, I forgot, I need to put it in a note. Put it in note. Have to access it. A moment. calculus. So it's a part of calculus. Derivative, limit, calculus, sorry, limit, differential, and integration later you will go for your next academic year. Calculus, note differentiation. Here. I just updated the notes later. You can access anytime. So far, do you have any question, guys? No? Okay. You. Yeah, there you go. So let's do the questions. I think we only have two types or two parts. See, practice now. Oh, three. Okay. Try to finish all of this topic. Where? Here. So let's do the work example 5, the derivative of learn functions. Hey, I cannot. Yeah. Okay, we will not do all. I just find some key questions that will enhance your understanding. We will do 5A and E. Oh, combine with the trigonometric function, ABE. Let's do A. Y equals ln 5x squared plus 7x. So what is this? U. 5x squared plus 7x. What is the U accent? Anyone? 10x plus 7, right? You put down, put down. And the y accent equals U accent over U. Oh, easy, guys. 10x plus 7 over 5x squared plus 7x. Just put inside the formula. That's all. B. What is U? Cos 3x. What is U accent then? Negative sine 3x. Are we finished? No. Times 3. Times by the chain rule of the inside angle. Remember the trick and the inside. Times 3. Therefore, negative 3 sine 3x. And y accent or dy dx is U accent over U. Okay. Negative 3 sine 3x over cos 3x. Can we simplify further? Sin over cos? Tan. There you go. Okay. I don't think it's very hard. Still manageable, right? But you need to understand your previous knowledge, which is the derivative of trigonometric function. E. Oh, okay. Oh, here. Square root. U is square root 2 plus x over 2 minus x. What do you have to do? Quite hard. I will stop here. I will copy the questions. And we will do it in the whole page of this later. It requires a lot of understanding. This is the nested logic, guys. So the logic is quite much. Then let's do a particular question, which is 5E. Follow the instruction and you can repeat the video as much as you want until you understand all the topic, all the explanation. Question E, we do the specific hard question here. Let's check. I want to make a bit more concise or more detailed. I write y equals ln of 2 plus x over 2 minus x. The square root means the power of half, right? Okay, so this is u. 2 plus x over 2 subtract x to the power of half. How do you find the derivative of u? 1 out of 2 put down, right? 1 out of 2 put down, and this let it be, just copy paste the question, and then power, half minus 1, right? Negative half. And are we finished? No. Why? Because you have to multiply by the inside. The chain rule works like this. Okay. So remember this chain rule. Follow me. If I have y equals u power n, the y-action is, this is u power n, right? The function inside power n. Nu, ni, u apostrophe. Chain rule. So you multiply by this thing. So we are trying to input this in here. So what is the derivative of this circle? Quotient rule, guys. Quotient rule. Then you have another u, which is not this u, but top quotient rule. So I treat v, let's say, or yeah, you can just write u. Another u, of course, 2 plus x, and then the v is 2 minus x. What is u accent then? 1. V accent, negative 1, right? So the derivative of the inside is u accent v minus u v accent over v squared. 2 minus x. Again, I want to remind you, this u is not similar to this u. So I have another u, okay, over, multiply u x and v, okay, 2 minus x itself, subtract by negative 1, 2 plus x over v squared, which is 2 minus x bracket squared, right? Just put inside all the formula. Okay, if you don't get this, okay, I just write one. U xn times v, right? U xn here times v. Subtract u v xn, I put the negative one in front. Then you will get this. 2 minus x, minus with minus becomes plus 2 plus x over 2 minus x bracket square. You can cross out the x as simple as this. Then you can solve the problem. Okay, this is the inside. Put it here. Okay, very hard. 4 over 2 minus x bracket square. That's how you do. Oops, sorry. Here. Okay. Now, let's do the finisher. Oh, we haven't done. We have 3 nested questions. So the dy dx here is u xn over u. Remember? What is the u xn? Oh, the hell is this? Okay, you can simplify it first. You can cross out this, becomes 2, right? And then, okay, just put 2 plus x over 2 minus x bracket negative half times 2 over 2 minus x bracket 2 over the u. What is u? This. 2 plus x over 2 minus x to the power of half. Can we go further, guys? Yes. Yes, we can. Here, I will remind you one more time. This and this, right? And then this with this. Oh, right? What you can do next? Look, you need to pay attention in this part. This and this are actually the same, right? You put here down. Therefore, this is left on top. And then this put down, the negative power becomes positive. If the negative power becomes positive, you will get both half, double half. So rewrite one more time. power half times by this that you put down, power half. What will it be? Power 1, right? Half plus half. So 2 over 2 minus x squared. Again, you can restart the video and you can replay later, but we have to do it fast. Over 2 minus x power 1, or 2 power 2 minus x squared multiply by, look, okay, we have to deal with so many logic or so many understanding on the fraction. Multiply by the flip version of that, right? You flip this. The yellow circle becomes this. Okay, we can simplify further. Okay, so the question is, so uh, there you go. So simple. Or that's it. Here or here is actually the same. Okay, I will zoom out so you can see all the process. Again, first thing first, treat this as u. Are there any simple way? I think so, but I cannot think of simple questions. What do we have to do if we cannot do the simple working? Try to put everything. Okay, first, this is u. Okay, you, oh, fraction. And we have power. So you use this power, this rule, no new. Yeah, here, put here. And then the u accent here is a quotient rule. So this is separated. And then after you get this, go back to here. After you get this, go back to its origin. Okay. You can print screen, you can look at this, and you can pause the video to ensure all the understanding. Okay, we continue, guys. Actually, this is the wrong example. There is the answer for each question. E. They give you the simple working, and I don't agree with this way because it's very hard. But you can see the ln can be annihilated like this. But I don't think it will works for all the questions. Okay. So let's do this then. Okay, the practice now, the question that has no answer. Actually, they are in answer key. Okay, what you can do here? Learn of this. Do you remember the characteristic of learn? We use another way. Learn A over B can be rewrite as learn A subtract learn B. Can we? Yep. Or if I have learn A times B, learn A plus learn B. If multiply, you can subtract. You can add. If you divide, you can subtract. Use this way. I think this is faster. But as long as you memorize this. If you don't memorize, you can use my previous way. Okay, now get ready. Focus. Before we try to find the derivative, what we need to do? Change the expression. Learn x, subtract learn x squared plus 2 power half. Make sense for you? Okay. What is the derivative of ln x? 1 by x, as simple as as this, minus this. Okay, we do this working separately. We separate u equals x squared plus 2 to the power of half. The du or u accent will be half, right? And then x squared plus 2 power half minus 1 times by the inside, which is 2x. So we get this x times x squared plus 2 power negative half. Make sense for you? Guys, cross, put the x in front. So minus ln x, ln u. What is ln u? Well, u accent over u, right? Okay, you put everything back to its position. So 1 over x, subtract u accent is this. over u. And then you put this down, right? So 1 over x stays x over x squared plus 2 power half. And you put down here power half also. So become power 1. Get the logic? No? Okay, another way. X squared plus 2 power half. And you put this down. The negative, the power negative will be positive. So becoming x squared plus 2 power half. They share the same base. And half plus half becomes 1. Then, as simple as this. That's all. Right? Power 1. Let it be. Okay? You can use this pattern. Actually, if we do this on our previous question, it will be faster. But you know the pattern of logarithmic pattern. Okay, guys, we do one more question. This is hard, but we try to find the harder one. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, you pick one question. I'll do one question. What number you want me to discuss? 2? Okay, good choice. Number 2. Let's see, yeah. Let's see how it works. Y equals ln of 2x over 1 plus x. So we already have a, what do you call, obvious quotient rule, right? So treat this u, ln 2x, and this is v, 1 plus x. Now, what is ux then? Ln 2x. So you derive this ux, which is 2 bottom 2x, right? Get it? Or ux over u. Okay? 2 over 2x or 1 over x. Make it simple. V 1. Right? As simple as this. 0 plus 1. You just derive this. Then put this. Quotient rule. No more ln. We already put the ln here. U xn v subtract u v xn over v squared. Xn means derivative. 1 over x times 1 plus x, right? This times this. Subtract u v xn. Okay, if it is 1, go for the other. Over v squared. 1 plus x bracket squared. And you are tempted to cross this with this. Is it available? Can we do such things? Hell no. We have the negative. You cannot cross like that. It's not so easy, boy. Okay? So you multiply this with this. 1 plus x over x, subtract ln 2x over 1 minus x bracket square. How can we simplify this further? Make on top of the denominator or of equal denominator. But if you don't get the idea, if you think that too much, you can stop here, no problem. But I won't. I will give you the simplest way. Plus, oh yeah, thanks. Sorry. Okay, I missed the parts. You multiply both of them by x over x. We get 1 plus x only, because this is crossed out, and then subtract x ln 2x over x bracket 1 plus x bracket square. I think this is more, what do you call, more proper, right? Inappropriate working. The fraction is single already. Single fraction. This is fraction inside fraction. I think it will be quite complicated to see. You do better. You better do this. So we get the dy dx and find the value of f xn, which is here, of half 1.2. Oh, sorry, 1.2. What do you have to do then? You change all the x by 1.2. Okay, copy. Uh, I think I don't want to do one more time here. You change the x by 1.2, right? Here. Oh, what is plus? Oh, okay, here. Moment. You erase all the x. You change to 1.2, right? All good, yeah. You can follow the instruction. Okay, do this. Okay, Gus. 1 plus half. Sorry, 1 plus 1.2. 1 plus 1.2. Subtract 1.2 bracket ln 2.4, right? Make it fast. Over 1.2 bracket 1 plus 1.2, or you can just write 2.2 actually. Power 2. 0.198. Uh, Someone please check on the answer key. I'm not sure about this. Exercise 13, chapter 13, practice now 6, question number 2. What's the answer? Practice now. Practice now 6, chapter 13. Right, okay, thanks. So actually, I will give you the cheat. I'll show you how to do it with your calculator. I have this calculator, just use mine. Actually, there are some more advanced calculator. You do this. Wait, I'm finding. I forgot. Where is it? Oh, here. ddx, shift this, of fraction, ln 2x. You put ln 2x. Wait. Alpha x over 1 plus x. The x is 1.2. There you go. Huh? Wait, what? Why is error? Oh, I forgot to put the bracket here. Bracket. Yeah. No, you cannot do this in exam, of course, because you need to find. Actually, this question is not so good. Why? Because you can use your calculator, but the good question will give you express the dy dx in terms of x, and then find when x equals 1 over 1.2, what is the value of the gradient. So you can do this. Okay, you can do number 1 then. Try, guys. Number 1. Shift this x times ln tan 2x, right? Tan 2x. The x is 0.5. Wait, something wrong again. Oh, x bracket. Close the bracket here. Ah, okay. Huh? What happened? Multiply? Oh, hey, x. Big X is this. It doesn't work. I think okay, the calculator is not so good. What happened? What happened? X times ln tan 2x. Oh, radian? Yeah, that's radian. Does someone can get the answer? with calculator? Well, number one. Again, I try to repeat. X dx x times bracket tan to x in radian. Okay, make sure it is in radian form. Close the bracket for ln ln tan to x close. This is 1.2. 0.5, sorry. No, cannot. Okay, manual. Let's do it manually. One more, guys. One more. Gak bisa ya. Okay, let's check. Wait. I hate this. Okay, let's do with our manual working. I don't know with another calculator will it works or not, but let's check, guys. Come on. One more question and we're finished. Okay. Y x times ln tan 2x. This is U, this is V. Product rule, right? U xn is 1, V is ln tan 2x. So V xn will be over, right? Bottom tan 2x. Make sense? The bottom is unchanged because if I have ln U, the derivative is U xn is over U. The U is the same. U xn second square 2x times the inside 2, right? Times the inside. Make sense? Okay. We can do as simple as the multiplication rule. U xn V plus U V xn. I told you, jangan sok jagoan.
So,
Just write like this.
how did you make V equal the x process?
This is V. This is U. I will repeat, yeah. Sorry. U is X. U xn is 1. Very simple. V is ln tan to X. V xn is, you use this. U xn second square to X, right? Times 2. Because we have the 2 here. So the single trigonometric and the inside angle over U tan to X. Okay. Now put inside. Ln tan to X times V, which is 1, times U xn, which is 1, plus X U times V xn. X times 2 second square 2x over tan 2x. And it will be very, very easy to solve. Ln tan. Oh, wait, what is the x? 0.5, yeah? Tan 1. 0.44. Okay, one more time. Ln tan 2 times 0.5, right? Plus, wait, I will make a bit lower. Not enough space. Oh, wait, what I'm doing? Right here, lower. And then plus 0.5 times 2 second square 2 times 0.5. Okay. Or I think we better put 0.5 as half, guys, for your easy visualization. You can visualize it easily. 2 times half, see? Easy. Tan 2 times half. Okay. Now you can do in easier way. Learn U x and V. Here. This is U x and V. Because the V is here. Okay? Go. count. Tan half, tan 1, right? 0.44. I'm not trusting my calculator too much. So we have to put this 443 plus half times 2 is 1, right? You can cross out. Becomes second square 1. What is second? 1 over cos 1 square, right? 1.85 square. Because we have this cos 1 and second square. 1.85 square. 851, let's say. 3 sig fic over tan 1. Make sure every calculator is in your radian form, in the radian form, tan 1. Tan 1. Tan 1 radian. 1.55. 1.558, 1.557. So you can get the specific answer. Please, someone cross-check with the calculator, with the answer key. 2.64. Wait. Here, let me finish this first. 2.643. 2.644. Clear, near enough. Okay, Westin, do you have any question?
So then how to example rather than return with the x times plus x squared back.
Oh, here. U, X, and V. Separate doing. U, X, and V. This times this, right? 1 times ln times x. That's all. And then, wait a moment. Plus, because this is the product rule, guys. Product rule, not quotient rule. U, V, X, and X, you put on top. But if you want to put it here, doesn't change anything, right? You put the X on. Yeah, no problem. Now you know, right? Okay, that's all for our meeting today for the logarithmic function. You can print screen this exercise. Here, we have so many exercises that you can do about the log. I will give you some seconds to print screen this question, and you can do it by yourself as your practice. Okay. When you use product rule and when you use quotient rule, see the question, depend. This is multiplication, right? So product rule. Okay, get it? See the pattern. This pattern is require you to do in the product rule. Product rules. Okay, I will stop the meeting. I'll see you on the other topic. Bye.